the trend in the food industry is that more and more grocery stores and large distribution companies are requiring that their customers become GFSI certified. It's not a matter of if you're going to be required to do it, it's a matter of when.
GFSI is the Global Food Safety Initiative, which is a bar that the largest companies in the world and the largest markets in the world really require. Of the half dozen certification schemes that are GFSI, the four most common are SQF, BRC, Primus, GFS, and FSSC 22000. In a perfect world, food businesses would be able to look at what they do, read through each book, and match up their process to the best program for them. That unfortunately doesn't happen very often because there's so much confusion. So when a business owner determines that GFSI is the next step in their process, it can be very scary, it can be very expensive. The first thing they hope is that they can be made exempt, which unfortunately most businesses cannot be made exempt. If a client or an industry requires that they get to this standard, there's very little that can be done other than complying. The cost of selecting a wrong program can be hundreds of thousands of dollars. We can help them select the correct scheme. We can help them create the documents that are going to get them through the process as quickly as possible. And we can help them understand what they don't need to do.
If you're going through the GFSI process for the first time and you're doing it on your own, you can expect that it's going to take anywhere from 18 to 24 months. When people work with us, they can get that amount of time down to closer to 6 to 12 months.
Once we are able to work with them to understand what's most important to them, we can help them match the GFSI scheme that best fits their business.
We work with clients all over the country. We actually work with companies in every single part of the food supply chain.
We've worked with every GFSI scheme. Basically, if someone comes to us and they have a problem, we've already seen it and we know how to help.